How to prepare for UGC NET exam? Did you know that thousands of students prepare for UGC NET every year, but only a small percentage qualify? The good news is that you don't need to study 12 hours a day to crack UGC NET. In this video, I'll share a proven preparation strategy that can help you study smarter and increase your chances of qualifying. Problem solution: confused about where to start UGC NET preparation? Too many books, too many YouTube channels, and too little time? Stay till the end because I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step roadmap that successful UGC NET qualifiers follow. Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn. If you're planning to appear for the UGC NET exam, this video will help you create a clear preparation strategy. Whether you're preparing for commerce, management, education, English, or any other subject, these tips will help you stay focused and improve your score. Point 1. Understand the exam pattern. Before opening any book, understand the exam pattern. UGC NET consists of Paper 1, Teaching and Research Aptitude 50 questions, Paper 2, Subject Specific Paper 100 questions. Both papers are conducted in a single session and carry a total of 300 marks. Many students focus only on Paper 2 and ignore Paper 1, which can be a costly mistake. Point 2. Download and analyze the syllabus. The syllabus is your preparation blueprint. Print the latest syllabus and divide it into small manageable topics. Strong areas, moderate areas, weak areas. This helps you prioritize your study plan. Point 3. Create a realistic study plan. Instead of studying randomly, allocate your time wisely. For example, 2 hours for paper 1, 4 hours for paper 2, 1 hour for revision. Consistency is more important than studying excessively for a few days. Point 4. Focus on previous year questions. One of the biggest mistakes students make is ignoring previous year papers. Solve at least the last 10 years UGC NET questions. Previous papers are often the key to understanding the examiner's mindset.